Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a page break in Excel. So open an Excel sheet. Let's say you want to have a page break here. Wherever you want to the page break, you have to just put your cursor there. Go to this page layout tab and then click on the breaks option. In this little ribbon, click on it and click on insert page break. Immediately you can see there is a page break. Yep. So this is how you can insert a page break in Excel. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.